What's up, guys? This is Jake. Today I want to do a quick review on the Amazon Fire TV Stick remote. So recently I had to get a replacement remote, and obviously it's just the exact same as the first remote I had. I want to do a quick review on it. It's pretty basic, pretty simple to understand, but just in case. So you can see it's a super simple remote, which I love about it. You've got your mute button here, plus, minus. I mean, everything's pretty obvious. You have your menu, your home, back. This, if you want to use voice commands, and then your power button up here. If you hold this down, then you're going to see that come on, and it's listening, and obviously that's how you're doing voice commands. On the back, again, very, very simple. This part simply slides off, which is why that thumb is here. So you'll slide off right there to put in your battery. So if you're looking for a replacement remote for your Fire Stick TV, or just trying to decide if you want Fire Stick TV and if you're going to like the remote or not, highly recommend it. I've loved it, and I think you will as well.